The lady from Uncle. International affair. The lady.
Hi, today I'm going to take a look at deleting a YouTube channel from your Google account's repertoire. So for starters, I'm signed into my test Google account and I'm actually already switched to the correct YouTube channel for deletion. And I have to stress this point because when you take any action at YouTube, you must ensure that you're actually in the YouTube product that you want to affect changes on. So let me demonstrate. I'm going to click on the avatar and I'm going to switch accounts. And as you can see here, I actually have 6 YouTube brand accounts and 1 Google account. And to make sure that I'm not deleting Mickey Mouse Magic, for example, or another one even with the same name, I have to make sure that the one I want to delete is the one that has the check mark against it. So this check mark actually indicates which YouTube brand account or YouTube product is the active one. So I'm going to click on that. And that makes sure that I'm actually in the correct one, and I can even go to my channel to make sure that this is the one that I want to definitely make changes to. So click on the avatar top right hand side, go to manage your Google account. You're not actually going to manage your Google account, you're actually in the interface for this particular YouTube brand account. And here you click on data and privacy and you scroll down until you get to delete a Google service under download or delete your data. Click on that box. It's got trash can beside it so that you can tell that what you're doing. You're going to be asked to verify yourself. Obviously, this is for obvious reasons. Any action such as deletion is quite sensitive and security needs to be fairly tight. Now I can download my data before I delete my account if I'm particularly fussed about it, or I can just go ahead and delete the YouTube channel. Again, it's a deletion process. I need to verify that I have the authority to do that. I here have the option to hide the content rather than delete it. And I'm being told that what I'm doing is I'm about to hide or delete the YouTube content for just a brand account, nothing else. If I click on this particular link, I will be taken back to YouTube and I will see this particular YouTube channel again, just to make sure that I actually know which one I'm about to delete. I will give you the links and everything for these particular direct pages in the video description below, but I do recommend that you go through the motions and take the long way around, because that way you can be certain that you actually know what it is that you're deleting. Now this gets a bit tricky. Because this is quite a long name, I'm going to highlight it and copy it for myself, and I'm going to be asked, because you see I'm going to be asked to type in the name of the YouTube channel, and it will actually tell you what it is that you're about to do as well. Always remember to read the information that you're shown, and as you will have realized, I'm actually doing this on a browser from a computer rather than from a mobile device. I find it in some cases there's certain actions that you can't even take on a mobile device, but I do recommend that if you can possibly do it when you've got a bit of time and that you know what you're doing, and do it from a computer using a browser. So I'm about to delete, and I've acknowledged by typing in the name. Again, I'm about to delete the content, and there you are. It's telling me that it's updating and that my content is being deleted. It can take a little while if you have a lot of content, but in this particular case, the YouTube channel was quite empty. So if I refresh that, I should actually no longer be able to see that. So that gives an indication that it can take a little bit of time for it to truly disappear. Refresh again. and you'll see that the YouTube channel has now in fact been deleted. So it can take a little while for it to all to update, but that is how you delete a YouTube channel in 2021. Thank you for listening and goodbye.